Cold water, we put also the bath salt in there, magnesium sulfate. So now we're putting the ice in there. There we go. Should have gotten 2 bags of ice, but I guess that's better than nothing. I also got some ice from the freezer. Ooh, and a bit more here. There we go. In the bathtub. So it feels almost as your body at the beginning wants to feel really tense and wants to basically reject that sensation. You just have to keep telling yourself this is what you want to do, this is good for you. And then eventually you'll feel shivers that will try to take control over your body. And by breathing, meditating, concentrating on nothingness, you can imagine a point in your mind, you can imagine a black hole, you can imagine all kinds of different things and just focus on that without thinking. And it does help, and to control the shaking. As I said before, putting a bit of water on your neck will adapt your body to that temperature just before. Also, I found a sensation as if my veins were getting sucked in a little bit. You can see a lot of my veins disappeared from my hands and everything. So it's a lot skinnier and everything, and it feels really nice. You tend to adapt. And I do also feel that if you keep your back a little bit off the bathtub, you will get a colder temperature from the cold water itself, so your body heat will not start creating heat with the bathtub itself, and then that way you will get the full effect of it. And that's it. Try to keep your body apart, basically. Each part of your body as apart as possible, and in that way you will feel the full effect of it. I stayed for about a bit over 10 minutes, between 10 to 15 minutes now, and thank you for watching. Subscribe if you'd like, thumbs below, and have a very good day. I hope this helped, especially after extensive workouts, and it will help stimulate your muscles, and a whole lot of good benefits we can talk about after. Thank you, bye.